Guys, ATM Matred ADB 160 guys, 389 odometer guys yung tinakbo. Nag-avail si boss ng ating 4K package promo, which is M1 and BA Auto Style guys. Quick demo ko lang guys yung ginawa nating setup dito. Napaka basic, napaka simple at napakaganda. Low beam, meron tayong mini driving light switch which is night owl. Pag nakababa guys, low beam. Pag nakataas, high beam. Pag nakagitna, off syempre. Tapos passing niya, syempre kahit naka-off, kahit naka-low, at kahit naka-high. May passing light. All modes guys. Tapos back to stock horn guys. Ito yung back to stock na tinatawag. Pagka nakapindot yan guys, syempre stock yan. Pag nakabaon guys, malakas. Pagka naka-DN, alright guys. Napaka-basic na setup natin. Napaka-simple, napakaganda yan. Harness pa lang. Napakalinis. Alright guys. Tapos yung mga ginamit natin pyesa, syempre 3-offer stainless bracket na. Ayan, kung makikita nyo, dito naka-mount. Even nuts and bolts